The current conditions in Columbia, South Carolina.
This is a very rare weather event, especially for this area and especially for this time of year. The Southeast has not seen anything quite like this, or at least in a very long time, so obviously there's some major concern among citizens on how they're going to prepare and deal with this. And then there's even greater concern for when this all melts. And what's it going to look like?
Winter weather advisory in effect until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. What? Extreme winter weather conditions expected. Where? All of South Carolina. When? From 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impact: heavy snow conditions with strong wind gusts. Blowing snow and whiteout conditions are possible. Travel will be extremely dangerous. Plan on slippery road conditions. Heavy blowing snow can significantly reduce visibility. Icing on roadways will occur. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions from the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
I mean, we got heavy accumulating snow possible all the way in places like Florida. These areas like Columbia, South Carolina are not prepared for 20-inch snowstorms, but that's what's forecast.
Wow. Just crazy, man. Snow in Carolina in May. Who would have thunk it? It was pretty light earlier, and now it's actually starting to come down pretty hard. And this is supposed to be like the start of what's going to be pretty bad in our area. Hope everyone stays safe. This is kind of exciting, though. I mean, it's exciting for me personally because I love snow. But, yeah. This is Rolling Springs, yo. Rolling Springs near Spartanburg, and it's snowing in May in South Carolina.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Look at what we have in the forecast. As a historic winter storm prepares to make its way to South Carolina and surrounding states over the next few days, and this snow accumulation expected is absolutely insane, especially for this type of year, but definitely in this area.
A
winter storm warning has been issued for the entire state of South Carolina effective at noon Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. What? Heavy snow expected. A historic winter storm will bring significant snow accumulations of 12 to 31 inches in some areas. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? The entire state of South Carolina and portions of the southeast United States. When? Noon Tuesday until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impacts. Travel will be difficult to impossible. Winds can down trees and cause power outages. Heavy wet snow will be difficult to manage. Additional details. Whiteout conditions are likely. Avoid driving in blowing snow and winter weather conditions. Due to forecasted strong winds and heavy snow, blizzard conditions are possible in some areas. Travel should be restricted to emergency only. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions from the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
This is a blizzard warning for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Haywood, Henderson, Madison, and Transylvania. Until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Blizzard conditions are ongoing. Do not drive. Avoid going outdoors at this time, as massive wind gusts and heavy snow are creating whiteout conditions. Persons who travel will be injured or killed. The latest road conditions for the state of North Carolina can be obtained by calling 511.
Justin, I am on Interstate 26 South, in between Fletcher and Henderson, or 16 miles south of Asheville. We have whiteout conditions here. Driving is so dangerous right now that the entire interstate has stopped driving. The winds are so strong. I've seen some drivers duck down and cover their heads with their hands. You can even hear how bad it is on the dash cam. We literally cannot see anything. Everyone is stopped. This is deadly driving conditions. It will definitely get worse over the hours. Many folks here are just preparing themselves to be stranded. This is scary and dangerous. But as of now, we are all right. I'll check back in with y'all as soon as I have some more details to cover. But I guess for now I'll just turn on the radio and listen to some music and watch this crazy snowstorm. Okay, we definitely have an increase in winds, and decrease in visibility, and... Wait. Is that... Why are tornado sirens going off right now? What on earth does that mean? Do we have a tornado in the snowstorm right now?
No, no tornado warning, but we do have tornado-like wind speeds, which are pretty dangerous in itself, and might have caused the activation of sirens. Please be careful, Arya.
I'll do my best, as long as everyone avoids driving and has winter survival gear on hand. I believe we will all be okay. But this is definitely dangerous. There are the sirens again. Oh my god, Justin. Massive, and I mean massive wind increase, and the visibility is absolute zero right now. I can't see anything. Anything at all. This is whiteout if I've ever seen one before. Whoa. I just heard someone's windshield just shatter. What the hell? These winds are extremely violent. Worst snowstorm I've ever been in. This is insane.
Arya, we're getting something strange over the airwaves. We are receiving a weather alert I've never heard before. This is the first time this has ever been issued. The National Weather Service is calling this a blizzard emergency for Mills River, and it's strongly worded. Listen to the alert now.
Oh my god.
A blizzard warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Buncombe, Haywood, Henderson, Madison, and Transylvania. Life-threatening blowing snow and blizzard conditions are ongoing in the warned area, creating deadly traveling conditions. This is a blizzard emergency for Mills Rock, or 10 to 22 miles south of Asheville. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Anyone driving or outdoors will be injured or killed. Heavy snow and whiteout conditions are creating deadly conditions for anyone outdoors. People and animals outdoors are in extreme danger. Visibility has been reduced to zero, making it impossible to see. Taking cover from outdoors will be difficult to impossible, endangering anyone caught outdoors. Persons on highways, interstates, or roadways will be stranded and are in a life-threatening situation if caught without a winter survival kit. Tornado-like wind speeds are also occurring, causing damage to vehicles, roofs, and trees. Widespread power outages have also been reported, and pipe damage is expected to repeat. Deadly blizzard conditions are ongoing. If you are in a vehicle, remain in your vehicle and protect yourself from damaging winds. Take winter survival measures immediately. If you are outdoors, drop to the ground and cover your head with your hands. It is too late to take shelter due to no visibility. Attempting to do so will cause severe injury or death. Hold on to something sturdy and secure to prevent being blown away. Do not drive. Do not go outdoors. Remain in your shelter until the storm has passed. The latest road conditions for the state of North Carolina can be obtained by calling 511. Repeating, a blizzard warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is an emergency situation. Take the proper winter survival precautions immediately to protect yourself and your family.
This is an urgent message from the North Carolina Department of Transportation. Right now, I want to order the shutdown of Interstate 26 in North Carolina and every highway and interstate in the path of this winter storm. This is something that I should have done days prior to this storm. We've got hundreds if not thousands of people trapped on I-26 right now during deadly blizzard conditions. Tornado-like wind speeds are going on, damaging vehicles and leaving people injured. We cannot risk any more lives. There is no reason anyone should be on the road right now. Shut down travel for at least 3 to 4 days. Things are going to get worse. Thanks for hearing me out. I wish you all the best of luck through this difficult time.
This is a civil danger warning for Henderson County, North Carolina. Interstate 26 shut down due to deadly driving conditions. Whiteout conditions are ongoing. Tornado-like wind speeds are damaging stranded vehicles on the interstate, leading to injuries and fatalities. Many car accidents have occurred. The North Carolina Department of Transportation has ordered the shutdown of all interstates and highways in the path of the winter storm. Deadly blizzard conditions will continue throughout the evening into tomorrow afternoon. Stranded drivers are forced to fend for themselves as first responders are unable to assist the stranded due to whiteout conditions. Visibility has been reduced to 0. This is an emergency situation. If you are trapped on the highways, please get out your winter survival kit. Your kit should include food, water, flashlight, blankets, mittens, gloves, and any life necessity items. Prepare to stay in your vehicle for up to 6 days. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511.
Holy cow, are you guys seeing this? This is absolutely insane. We're in South Carolina and it looks like Greenland. Heavy snow just pouring down here in Greenville. There looks like to be about 8 inches of snow on the ground already. It's a winter wonderland. A chaotic winter wonderland. Stay safe, South Carolina. Oh god, that wind just got really bad. This is a blizzard. I have to get away from the windows now. Holy shit!
We have heavier bands of snow heading for Powdersville and Piedmont, but intense snowfall and strong winds are underway in downtown Greenville right now. Winds excess of 73 miles per hour have been reported with heavy snow. This is deadly winter weather conditions, and we can expect window and vehicle damage as the storm progresses.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a blizzard warning for the following counties in South Carolina: Pickens, Greenville, Spartanburg, Lawrence, and Union. Effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. Heavy snowfall and extreme tornadic wind speeds are occurring in the warned area. Do not go outdoors. Do not drive. Doing so will put your life in immediate danger. Additional snow accumulations of up to 6 inches is expected throughout the day. Take the necessary winter survival precautions to assure you and your family's safety. Please contact 511 for the latest road conditions for the upstate of South Carolina.
Currently, the temperature is 23 degrees with blowing snow.
Civil danger warning for Columbia and surrounding areas. Massive vehicle pile-up on Interstate 20 11 miles west of Columbia. Drivers on I-20 have reported mass accidents due to dangerous whiteout conditions. Multiple injuries and fatalities are feared as a result of the collisions. Reports of vehicle damage, debris damaging vehicles and buildings have been coming in. An estimate of 42 cars have crashed. This is a potential mass casualty situation. Do not drive until the storm passes. Driving will be difficult to impossible over the next few days. Driving will put your life in extreme danger. Please remain sheltered until conditions warrant that it is safe to exit. Make sure to have your winter survival kit on hand in case of an emergency. Due to zero visibility and intense winds, first responders will not be able to reach you until the all clear. Take the necessary precautions to keep you and your family safe during severe weather.
Calling me.
Oh shoot, boss man.
Hello, Mr. Yates. How are you doing today?
Hello, Aiden. I sure hope you're doing well.
I'm doing pretty well, just, dealing with some crazy weather. But other than that, can't complain. So, to what do I owe this call?
Well, I'm calling to let you know that we're going to need you to go ahead and deliver the semi-truck load to us today.
That's a good one. I sure love your humor, man.
What is so funny?
That joke you just told. I delivered a package today during insane blizzard conditions. I mean, there's no way you're being serious.
This is not a joke.
Wait, you're being serious?
This guy, yeah, you're right. I just called one of my employees asking them to do a task during my busy schedule for frickin' fun.
What? Mr. Yates, how on earth do you expect me to get in the semi-truck and deliver the stuff to you in blizzard conditions? How? There's no way you're being serious right now. Like, really?
That's not my problem. You should have done it a couple days ago when I called you and told you to. Because you didn't listen to me, this is your consequence.
I told you that I had to take my son to the doctor and you were fine with it. What the heck is all this, man? Seriously. You're gonna get me and others freaking killed for me just to deliver you a few chemicals to your science lab.
Listen, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear any of your crap. I just want you to deliver the stuff to me today. If you don't, both you and your family will pay. Do you want to lose this job?
Wow. So now you're threatening me and my family because I don't want to risk my life and the lives of others driving on the road during zero visibility snow conditions. Mr. Yates, you have officially lost your damn mind. This is bullshit, man. You can't force one of your employees and threaten their families to deliver stuff to you during horrible conditions. That's not right.
Trust me, I have my ways. Bye now, have a good day, and see you soon, if you still want your job.
Unbelievable. Man, and I really thought I was working for a good company. Knew I should have listened to my darn wife about this. Whatever. I'm gonna get myself freaking killed, and possibly other people too, just to deliver some freaking chemicals to a lab. This really can't wait until this all blows over. My God, man. I guess I have no choice. If I don't do this, he's gonna threaten me and my family, so might as well go ahead and go. Well, here comes death. Maybe if I set the GPS and drive slow, it'll help me, but I cannot believe I have to do this, man. This is such bullcrap. I mean, it might not be necessarily whiteout, but look at this. I can't see anything. How am I going to drive? Whatever. I'm going to have to do this sooner or later, so might as well get on with it. This is without a doubt the craziest thing I've ever done. Mr. Yates, you son of a... let's just go. pretty sure it's illegal for me to be driving right now, but, you know, whatever. I might have to go like 3 miles per hour like every second if I want to survive this car ride. Absolutely insane. I hope these chemicals are worth it for what I'm going through to give them to them. Don't even know what he's going to do with them anyways. Should have just told him no. Should have just told him no and quit and moved on with my life. But nope. Me and my fearful mind. This is what I get myself into. Just God, please keep me safe. Alright, I got the dash cam on. Look at these winds. The truck keeps tipping over. I'm afraid it's actually going to fall to the ground and we're going to crash soon. So, in case I die here, I want to make this known to everybody. Especially the police. Wait, no. No!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control. Civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following counties: Sumter County, South Carolina, until further notice. At 5:31 p.m., a semi-truck carrying hazardous materials has tipped over on Highway 378. There is a high chance of the truck exploding. If this occurs, due to extreme windy conditions and ongoing blizzard conditions, the harmful substances has a likelihood of spreading into the air, water supply, or other human life. Necessitates. Seek shelter in a safe place now. If you are exposed to harmful chemicals, please isolate yourself until medical personnel can reach you. No explosion has been reported as of now, but this doesn't mean it won't. Take the necessary precautions now to keep you and your family safe. Cover all cracks and holes with tape or a damp towel. Turn off all air conditioning and close fireplace dampers. Please listen to civil authorities and stay tuned to local media for further updates.
Loading.
Hello, y'all. This is Officer Spade here. I need to update you all on the serious winter storm across the southeastern United States. I know the focus right now is on North and South Carolina at the moment, and I'm not saying it shouldn't be, but we have a community southeast of Macon, Georgia, that is completely buried in a foot of snow. Extreme blowing snow. Cars have been rammed into buildings, and we have an entire neighborhood with shattered windows and tree damage. This is really bad, y'all. This place looks as if an EF5 snow-nado rammed through the area. When this thing passes, we need all hands on deck for emergency search and rescue. Thank you, y'all, and please stay safe out there.
Our local Doppler radar.
This is a local area emergency for Macon and surrounding areas, effective until further notice. Extreme wind damage to buildings, vehicles, and windows have occurred due to extreme blizzard winds. Hard-blowing ice and snow have shattered windows
and have left many vehicles damaged. Tornado-like damage has been reported in Huber and Tarversville. Get to a basement now. Treat these winds as if a tornado were approaching, and get to a safe room or the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Do not go outdoors. Do not drive. Please listen to civil authorities and news outlets for more information.
Civil danger for Sumter and surrounding areas. At 9:42 p.m., the semi-truck carrying hazardous material that crashed yesterday has exploded. The explosion has resulted in a debris cloud carrying hazardous life-threatening chemicals. Due to extreme blowing snow and windy conditions, the toxins are expected to spread. Contamination of water and snow melt is likely. This is a particularly dangerous situation. These materials are toxic. Exposure to the substances will result in severe sickness or death. Take the following precautions immediately to protect you and your family. Stay indoors. Cover all cracks on doors and windows with tape or a damp towel. Close fireplace dampers. Turn off any air conditioning until further notice. Consider wearing a mask until the threat is past. Toxic. Contaminated snowfall will also occur. Do not play in the snow. Stay indoors. If you get exposed to the chemicals, take a shower as fast as you possibly can, and isolate yourself until medical personnel can reach you. This may take days. This is a life-threatening situation. For more information, contact local authorities, or stay tuned to local media and news outlets on this dangerous situation.
Mr. Yates, you have a voicemail from someone.
Well, let's hear it.
This is an automated voicemail. You have one message. Hello, Scott Yates. This is a message from the Sumter County Highway Patrol. We are calling to let you know that your employee, Aiden Harrow, was involved in a serious semi-truck incident. He has sadly been killed, and a bunch of your chemicals are now spreading through the air. You and your company will be held fully accountable for not just the death of Aiden Harrow, but the other lives lost due to your actions. You're done, Scott.
Oh, god dang it! Can't count on that idiot for 1 second, can I?
Really, Scott? You're actually going to blame Aiden for this? Are you really this low and insane? You asked him to deliver chemicals to you in a big rig, in blizzard conditions. I mean, how the hell did you think this was going to end?
You hush your mouth. I didn't ask for your input. In fact, you know what? How about you go ahead and take some of our other chemicals to the labs and get out of my frickin' business?
Oh, hell, no. Ain't no way are you ever getting me to do something for your ass ever again. You cost Aiden his life. There are people without a husband, a son, a brother, and a dad, because of you. You are a sick, greedy monster. You think you're a higher power to the average man, and look where it got you. This is your fault. You hear me? Your fault.
Shut up!
This is a civil emergency message for Atlanta and surrounding suburbs. Dangerous to life-threatening winter weather conditions are ongoing, leading to wind damage, mass accidents, and vehicle damages. There is currently no power in Atlanta. The city is crippling at this winter storm. Law enforcement officials are completely unable to assist anyone in zero visibility road. Conditions make it impossible to clear roads. All civilians are forced to fend for their own safely during this time. Generators are out and heaters have been failing to function. This is a dangerous situation. In addition, do not drive until the snowfall clears. Once the snow melts, it is believed that flash flooding will occur, as there is currently up to 16 inches of snow on the ground in downtown Atlanta. Do not drive due to extreme winds. Outdoor conditions will remain extremely dangerous. Avoid playing in the snow until the wind calms. Dangerous winter weather conditions will continue over the next couple hours. Take safety precautions immediately to ensure your safety.